guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to highlight text in DaVinci Resolve 18. So to do this, it's pretty simple. Head on to Effects and go to Generators, and then drag your solid color on top of this screenshot. Let's say we want to do this. So here in your solid color, go to Inspector, and then we'll go to Color. We'll just select our color from there. So why is it gray? So let's do blue. So let's do orange, for example. Orange, and then go to Settings, and then go to Composite, and then you'll have, let's just search for linear burn. So here in your linear burn, so here in the solid color, we want to, of course, crop. So we can always crop this to the part that we only want it to. So let's just say this part, that one, and there, and then here. So there you go. Basically now you have a crop. So you can always add some entrance effects to that. So there you go, guys. As you can see, now you have a highlighted text in DaVinci Resolve. So if this was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.